Hey guys, my name's Nikki and I welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my weekly cleaning routine. Now this routine has definitely changed a lot. On Sundays I have kind of been posting like a whole house most of the time kind of cleaning video. This past Sunday I did a zone cleaning video and I did my kitchen. If you watched that video, you know that I have been thinking about and considering and trying zone cleaning. This is new for me, not new for me. I've done this in the past and it didn't work. I mentioned in that other video, the zone cleaning my kitchen video, that I was going to attempt to go back to that because I felt like it might work for us now. So I have done my daily cleaning routines. My house is picked up right now. My house is not a mess because I've been staying on top of daily routines. And today what I'm going to do is kind of go through my house and I'm going to do a quick dust, a quick vacuum, and a quick mop of my floors. I'm hoping that I can do this in a less than an hour. I do have not like a huge house, but it's not super small. I've got 2 levels. I've got a main level and then I've got an upstairs level. We have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and so everything's kind of spread apart. And for that reason, I'm hoping that I can do it all in an hour. But I've really just been working to simplify things so that my cleaning doesn't take so long every day. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to just kind of jump right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to start with dusting. This is just a kind of like a microfiber dusting wand. I believe it's by the brand Mr. Clean. I think I paid around $5 for it, possibly at Big Lots. I've had it for quite a while. I just sprayed it with some Endust. I won't respray it, and it's been a little while since I've dusted, so there are a few places where I'm kind of doing a little extra than I probably would with just a weekly dust. But I am going through the whole house, and I'm even going to go upstairs to my kids' rooms. Alright, so during this cleaning video, I want to play a little game of I Spy. Somewhere in my house, in one of the rooms, I'm going to be in there, and you will see a wall that I have not painted. It's a different color from the rest of the walls in the room, and it's pretty obvious if you're looking for it, so pay attention, and if you see it, I want you to say down in the comments, I spy with my little eye the wall in such and such room is a different color. So let me know down in the comments. I do want to go ahead and just clarify it's not the kitchen, because if you notice, like if you're in my dining room going into the kitchen, the colors do change, but the wall that I'm referring to is a wall where the rest of the room has been painted and it just hasn't been painted yet because I just haven't gotten to it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and say it. This is starting to feel like a lot of dusting. Dusting is one of my least favorite cleaning tasks, but it really has to be done, and honestly, it really didn't take me that long. I would like to know, though, I think part of my problem is I haven't found a product that I just really enjoy dusting with. Now, I like to use my Endust and a microfiber cloth when I'm doing like the polishing, kind of like a really deep dusting, but for just like a quick dusting, I really like using Swiffers, but I hate buying the refills. I'd rather have something that I can reuse, like rewash and reuse. So if you have a product like that that you really like, just kind of for quick dusting like I'm doing right here, please let me know down in the comments. Now I'm upstairs in my boys' rooms dusting, and it has been a long time since I've shared my kids' rooms and bathrooms with y'all. There's a couple of different reasons. One of the reasons is because for a long time they kind of took over the cleaning. They did their own dusting and vacuuming, which was great. But they really enjoy it when mom cleans, and so because they really like it and appreciate it, I really wanted to get back in the habit of doing it for them. That is another reason that I really did want to start zone cleaning. So anyway, the other reason is because their rooms aren't finished. They both have a lot of projects in there that I really want to do. They're not completely decorated. There's holes in some of their walls that need to be patched and fixed and painted, and they need blinds, and Cade needs curtains and all the things. But I just have to realize that even though things aren't done, this really is what things look like, and it's okay to share that. It's okay to be real. Things don't have to be just so. So anyway, these are their real rooms, what they look like. They like their rooms. It's not like they have a problem with them. They're boys, and there's things that they want to get done, but it's not been a super huge priority. I did want to mention, and I know I'm already past it, but if you saw the little corner shelves when I first walked into this room, Cade built those, which I thought was so cool. I saw them on another blog. I don't remember the name of the blog, but I thought it was a project that he might could tackle, and he totally did it. So I just thought that was cool. I did also want to let you guys know that while I was upstairs, I did dust and vacuum my husband's office, but I didn't film anything in that room, and I probably won't ever. Dusting is done, so I'm going to go ahead and start my vacuuming, and I'm just going to go ahead and start upstairs because I'm already here. Let me just tell you some things to ignore. Ignore the stack of books on that coffee table. Those are things that they are getting rid of, and I need to get rid of them. And then the stack of pictures in the corner over there. I'm in the process of painting our hallway, but I'm not done. We've had to do some patching, and it's just kind of taking longer than it should because the mud's not sticking to the wall, and it's just kind of been an ordeal. So anyway, that's where those pictures landed. But like I said, because I'm already upstairs, I want to go ahead and vacuum up here so that I can be done upstairs. Y'all are seeing all of my unfinished projects. I don't know if you can see right there in the left corner, kind of at the bottom of the screen, there is a box of blinds. You'll see that here in just a minute because I'm going to move it to vacuum. Those are blinds that I bought to go in our master bathroom, and we haven't hung them up yet because I need to paint the outside of the outside of the window, and it's going to be kind of annoying to have to take the blinds out because then we can't use that bathroom because there will be no window covering until I finish painting. So I've kind of just put it off. Do y'all have projects that you put off, or y'all really good about just getting on a project, sticking with it until it's done? We tend to procrastinate. And just in case y'all don't think my house is actually dirty, look at all that dirt. This thing was cleaned out before I started, but it was starting to get slow, so I knew that I needed to go dump it out. I also took the time to flip the vacuum over. I didn't show this part, but I noticed that there was a lot of hair kind of wrapped around the roller, so I just took a little knife. I did unplug it before I did this. I took a knife and cut it so that I could pull all of that out, and now it is working like a charm. Alright, so it's finally time to mop. Y'all know this is seriously one of my favorite things to do. I really enjoy mopping. I've got two mops that I use regularly. I use this spin mop from O Cedar, which I really like, and then I also use just a like an e-cloth on a Rubbermaid handle, and it's one that you just use water with, but today I really wanted to use this. I'm probably going to use this a lot here in the next little while because I've been working on going through my cleaners and kind of using things up, and I've got a bottle of Mr. Clean floor cleaner. I like it. It takes a really long time to go through floor cleaner, and I'm ready to move on to something else, so I am trying really hard to get this stuff used up. On Thursday, I posted a zone cleaning chat video. I didn't do any cleaning. I just sat down and talked about my process, my thought process, and how I am going through and deciding what I'm going to do and when for my zone cleaning. Right now, you're seeing my weekly. I did share in that video that I realized the day that I did this, I actually really meant to deep clean my showers. Cleaning all of our showers is something that I want to do weekly, and I totally forgot. So the next time I do a weekly cleaning video, I will include my showers. Alright, so when I mop my whole house, I definitely like to save the bathrooms for last, and I totally forgot to mop the bathrooms upstairs. Like I said, y'all, this is a process. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon.